Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your purchase could not be completed. So guys, if you're facing this issue, so it sucks when you are trying to purchase on app a movie or an app purchase and you suddenly get this error, your purchase could not be completed. So I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this. So let's get start the video without wasting any time. So before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So guys, first of all, make sure that your payment information is correct. To make sure that, go to your app store, then click on user icon, click on your Apple ID username, then click on manage payments, then click on billing address and make sure that billing address is correct. If it's not, you need to enter the correct information like first name, last name, street, city, zip code and phone number. So make sure that you have entered this information correct. So after this guys, the next step is make make sure that you restart your device once because it can might fix your problem. And the next step is guys, you need to sign out your Apple ID from the App Store. Just sign out once, then sign it again. So after this, and make sure that you turn off the screen time because it can cause a problem with the purchasing. So simply turn off the screen time. So guys, after all this step, it should be fixed. So if you are facing this problem, then you need to contact the Apple support to get the help. So hope this video helps you guys. If it does, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching guys.